All right, so you are an affiliate marketer. You got some products to promote. You're ready to start making money, but you're not sure, should you promote on YouTube or Facebook? Which one is better for affiliate marketing? Now in this video, I'm gonna share my experiences and my thoughts on YouTube marketing versus Facebook marketing as an affiliate marketer. Now, obviously, there are other platforms out there that you can use to promote affiliate offers, but in my opinion, YouTube and Facebook are probably the top two. So which one should you promote your offers on? Now, they both, in my opinion, can be good, right? They can be good, but it really comes down to what kind of person are you, all right? So, in my opinion, if you feel that YouTube is a slightly better opportunity for you as an affiliate marketer, but you really are against creating videos, you just refuse to, you're not into it, you don't even want to do faceless videos, you don't even want to get somebody else in your family to do the videos for you to be on camera, you just against it. But even though you know YouTube is a better opportunity, you might want to go with Facebook. Why? Because you might be more comfortable using the Facebook strategies, right? Because I know people that strictly do Facebook marketing. That's all they do. They don't even mess with YouTube or any other platforms, right? Because with Facebook marketing, it's usually about content, kind of trying to get people to message you, right? Posting in groups, and really being strategic with like posting images and videos, right? Like promo videos and stuff like that. But primarily you're going to be, really being active in groups, and really trying to, attract people to you, get people to be like, what you talking about? Huh? All right, I'm gonna DM you, I'm gonna message you, I'm gonna find out what you're talking about, right? Now with YouTube, it's strictly like, yo, get that video content out there. Really share your message, be direct, get on camera, let people know what's going on, send people straight to the link. You don't gotta DM me, right? Go to the link, right? So it really depends on what kind of person you are. Now keep in mind, I am talking about organic traffic only in this video. I'm not talking about paid Facebook marketing versus paid YouTube marketing. That's a whole nother thing. But I'm just talking about from the perspective of, free traffic methods. It really do depend on, your preference, to be honest with you. I personally think you can get more traction, more traffic by doing YouTube, just because, like I said, the factors of being on video, people can relate to you better. You can really express your thoughts better on YouTube, right? You can send people directly to, your offers or your email capture page on your videos, where Facebook, in my opinion, other people might say other things. In my opinion, it's more of I don't want to say a mind game, but it's more strategic, right? You're constantly putting up content, trying to get people to message you, to approach you. And some people are really good at that, and some people really enjoy doing that, right? So you got to ask yourself, what kind of person are you? Now, I will say this. I do think YouTube is better for getting traffic to your offers and everything. But with Facebook Reels, as I'm doing this video, Facebook Reels is getting me a lot of traffic. It's getting more and more popular right now. And if you don't like YouTube for whatever reason, and you don't mind doing short videos, right? Or just creating videos, maybe you don't have to be on camera or whatever, and you don't want to do the whole content, Facebook posting in groups and DMing people or whatever, you can use Facebook Reels, because I noticed I've been getting some decent traffic by putting up Facebook Reels. All right. And you can use Facebook Reels and you can actually send people directly to your affiliate offers. One easy way to do it is in your Facebook Reels, just put your affiliate offer link in the comments of that video, and just be sure to say it in your Facebook Reel. Say, hey, for more information, click the link in the first comment, right? Or just have it, put a little caption on your reel that says link in comments, right? Because some people said you can put links in the description of your Facebook Reels, but I just found that to be a little congesting and annoying if you put a link in your Facebook Reel description. But you could try it out if you want to. I'm just sharing with you my experience and my thoughts. All right, do what you want. But overall, guys, it's pretty much a preference. If you're more like content and trying to get people to come to you and talk via Messenger, I would rock with Facebook. If you're just more about that video content and I feel like getting more traffic quicker, I would go with the YouTube route. Or you can steal my strategy. What I've been doing lately and been getting pretty good results is I do YouTube videos, like long form, over a minute videos, right? Anywhere from 1 to 10 minute videos. And once I do them, I go over, I make a Facebook reel, right? And I talk about the video I just uploaded to my YouTube channel. And I put the link to my YouTube video in the comments of my Facebook reel, right? So I've been doing that. And like I said, I've been getting pretty good results. So pretty much I got a hybrid of YouTube and Facebook marketing. So if you can do that, I would highly suggest kind of doing a hybrid like I just said. But it's on you, all right? That's my thoughts. That's what I'm doing. Now, if you want to check out my top 3 affiliate marketing programs and the ones I promote on YouTube and Facebook Reels, check the links in the description of this video or the pinned comment.